Hey Ashley, my name is Erin. I'm with Duck Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please do reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope that you're able to take these tips I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful for you. But we will go ahead and get started. The three things we'll be talking about today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I do have your Facebook page here, and Facebook is a very powerful tool. There is no doubt about it. But the first place people are going to go when they're looking for services is going to be Google usually. And when they get there and they get their search results, they're going to want to have a website to click on. I'm not sure if you do have a website. I didn't see anything listed for you, but just in the interest of talking about content, I did pull up one of the competitor sites here. So content would be considered anything that you can see here. It does obviously include the words, but also the pictures and what the pictures are saved as can also be considered content. And Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on the homepage of a website. So it does look like this particular company does have that. And within those 1,500 words of content, it also allows you to be able to add in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. And that helps out a tremendous amount. So my first suggestion would be, if you haven't already or it's not already in the works, do get a website, because it not only serves as like a digital business card for you, but it really is the first step in getting ranked on Google. But that's all I have for content. Next up is citations, and I just pulled up a quick search here. And the first thing you'll see is this section. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directories, I mean things like Facebook, which you have, which is great, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and really anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories, and you would want to grab those listings for your business as well. But you also don't just want to stop there. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10 and then you want to double, triple, quadruple what you have for your business. So you want 20, 30, 40, 50. That's going to have you completely dominating your competition in that space, but it will also help you to rank high on the maps here as well. So we'll move along here to backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to your site. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful for you. If you do decide to get a website, you're going to want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that, number one, that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique, but also more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And I did just pull up a tool that I use here just so I can kind of give you a visual representation of what I'm talking about. So I put in the website that we just looked at, and it's showing right now they have 102 referring domains, which is giving them 666 backlinks, getting them found for 2.2 thousand keywords, and that's driving about 1.8 thousand people to their site per month, which is a ton. So let me see if I can pull up the keywords they use so I can kind of show you what you'd be looking for. And we're looking for buyer intent keywords. So that would be anything that someone's going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. So here's a perfect one: cleaning services, Utah. This is a perfect key phrase because it's listing the service or the industry, and then it's also listing the location that this company is trying to target. Let's see what else they got here. Here's another great one. Maid service, Salt Lake City. Again, it's listing the service or industry and then the location. And I certainly will not bore you and have us go through all of these keywords, but I do hope that that at least kind of gives you an idea of what you're looking for. Because really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But again, just like with the citations, you don't want to stop there. You always want to be far surpassing whatever it is that your competition is doing or has. And that's the kind of thing that's going to get you on that first page of Google, but it's also going to make it really difficult for your competition to even keep up with you at that point. But that's really all that I have for you today, Ashley. I do hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do contact us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thanks again for your time. I hope you have a great week ahead.